So he thought that was fresh.
You done?
Hmm?
Still going?
Yeah. You want me to stop it?
Huh?
You want me to stop?
No, throw me out. Stand up.
I got you. Where you want it at?
Catch it, throw it down.
So you want me to throw it on the other side? Where you at?
Yeah. Give me. Same thing.
Oh, my fault. Too much.
Throw higher. Get up. Alright. Let me just kind of do one last thing.
This is Brandon Felton's hoop mixtape. And